Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. So very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And now that I said that, let me show you how it's done. So as you can see, I've currently logged into my Facebook account. You will have to do the same in order to delete your account. Once you're here on the home page, click on the top right corner to go into your account. Once you're here, click on Settings and Privacy. And in this section, click on Settings again. Once you tap on that, it will load up, and over here on the left side you can see a section which says Accounts Center, Meta Accounts Center. Click on See More in Accounts Center. This is where you'll have to go. Now prior to this, deleting your Facebook account was relatively easier, but Meta or Facebook has added a few more steps. But yeah, it's still pretty easy. Once you're here in Account Center, click on Personal Details. Once you're here, you can see an option which says Account Ownership and Control under Personal Details. Just tap on that, and over here you can see an option which says Deactivation or Deletion. Just click on that. Once you're here, tap on the account that you want to delete or deactivate. Once you have done that, since it's deletion that I'm going to show you in this video, I'll click on Delete and I'll click on Continue. And also you will have to give a reason why you want to delete your account. Just click on Continue, click on Continue again. That's it. Your account will get permanently deleted once I click on Continue again. If you want to download some info before you delete your account, just click on Download Info. You'll get a log or an Excel or a spreadsheet wherein each and every, you can say, message, photo uploaded, all that information is here. You can just download that before you delete it. But yeah, if you don't want any of that, just click on Continue again. Re-enter your password. And again, it will ask you whether or not you want to delete the account. Just click on Delete Account. And make sure that you don't log in into your account for the next 30 days. Because if you will not log into your account after deletion for the next 30 days, then and only then will it actually permanently delete it. Otherwise, it will again just go into deactivation mode. So make sure you don't log into your account for the next 30 days after clicking on Delete Account. And that's it. Once you click on Delete Account, it's gone. You're back to the login page. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.